Chromosome Theory of Inheritance, proposed by Sutton and Boveri. Chromosome Theory of Inheritance proposed by Sutton and Boveri. According to this chromosomal theory of inheritance, chromosomes are the vehicles of inheritance. They carry inheritance. Mendel in 1865 proposed some principles about this inheritance. Now we call them as the laws of inheritance, and they are rediscovered by three scientists in 1900. They are Karl Karens, Hugo de Vries and Schermag. Mendel stated that genes, they never fuse, they never blend. During the formation of the gametes, they are passed into the gametes freely. And this phenomenon, that means this concept applied to chromosomes by Sutton and Boveri. When observed, the chromosome, homologous chromosome, they consist these factors, now we call them as the genes. Here the chromosomes are also not fused, not blend, and they are independently enter into the gametes. Genes, they are present on the chromosomes. So along with the chromosomes, genes also pass through the gametes. So chromosomes arranged in pairs, alleles arranged in pairs, chromosome not fuse, genes also not fuse. They segregate. Chromosomes also segregate and genes also segregate. This segregation we observed during the anaphase 1 of meiosis. So in such condition, the genes or the chromosomes never fuse, never blend, they enter. So Mendel theory applied to chromosomes to explain the dominance, law of dominance and law of segregation by Sutton and Boveri, and they proposed the theory, that is chromosomal theory of inheritance. It is a theory proposed by Sutton and Boveri to explain how the genes are segregated. It was mentioned by this Mendel by using the chromosomes. So both chromosome and the genes, they never blend, never fuse and segregate freely, independently. Based on the dihybrid cross, Mendel that proposed another principle, now we call it the independent assortment. Independent assortment. According to this law, when a plant consists more than two or more than pairs of alleles in heterozygous condition, one pair is independent to another pair. One pair is independent to another pair and enter into the gametes. During meiosis, one pair is independent to another pair. One pair is not influenced by another pair. One pair is independent to another pair and enter into the gametes independently. So that is called law of independent assortment, separation. It is a law given by Mendel based on dihybrid cross. Based on the monohybrid cross, two principles, one the law of dominance and another one is the law of segregation or the law of purity of the gametes. Based on the dihybrid cross, only one principle, that is law of independent assortment.